Get your Freedom leg early. If you can, I have my patients get the Freedom leg 2 weeks early and practice for 10 minutes every day. That makes them more comfortable so that after their foot surgery, they're confident that they can walk around. When you first start walking on the Freedom leg, your thigh gets a little sore. After the first couple days, if you push through that, you're going to be fine. Wear some sweatpants or leggings with this Freedom leg to pad the interface between your brace and the leg. Get your Freedom leg fit correctly. Setting up the Freedom leg carefully the first time is going to set you up for success. Use all the resources we're going to offer, the video, you can call for help to fit the Freedom leg. Use all those resources to take all the time in the world you need to get it set up correctly. While you're working on your Freedom leg fitting, also get your crutches set up. This is an important step. You're going to need crutches as you wean to weight bearing on your surgical foot. So you're going to need crutches and the Freedom leg. A knee rover is great for one level in your house. It's hard to get through doorways, downstairs, on unlevel surfaces. It's hard to transfer through the grass. It's hard to get into the car. There are a lot of problems with the knee rover, but I do recommend you get a knee rover for one level in your house. Make sure you get a knee rover with pneumatic wheels. The hard wheels stop on a dime and we see a lot more falls. Get the blow-up pneumatic wheels for your knee rover. I recommend getting a DryPro shower boot. It vacuum packs to your leg and keeps it totally waterproof. That way you're not calling the surgeon in the middle of the night after having an accident in the shower. Once you get your Freedom leg fit, switch out the friction pins for the bolts that are included. That'll make things rock solid so that you're 100% safe.